Hello friends, welcome to Civil's Manthan. We shall discuss today's important news articles. MOD, that is Ministry of Defense, approves 33 new fighter jets in deals worth 38,900 crores. So, जो डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल है विच इज़ हेड बाय डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह, उन्होंने 38,900 करोड़ का डिफेंस डील अप्रूव किया है. दिस इंक्लूड प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ 21 MiG 29 fighter jets for the Indian Air Force, upgrade of 59 MiG-29s and acquirement of 12 Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft. सो जो ये तीनों एयरक्राफ्ट्स हैं, हमें पता है कि ये तीनों एयरक्राफ्ट्स हम रसिया से लेते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव गुड डिफेंस relationship with Russia, and overall also we have a good relationship with Russia. The other deals include Pinaka ammunition, armored vehicle BMP armament upgrades, and software defined radio for the army, long range land attack missile systems of over 1000 km range, and Astra beyond visual range air to air missiles for the Navy and the IAF, all of which will be procured domestically and worth an estimated 31,130 crore. So we have been seeing that our tensions have been rising for the past few months with China on the eastern side of India's border. So keeping that in mind, the Defense Acquisition Council headed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has approved this procurement of defense weapons. So the Defense Acquisition Council has approved the procurement. So first let us know what is the Defense Acquisition Council. So the Defense Acquisition Council is the highest decision making body in the Defense Ministry for deciding on new policies. So ये new policy बनाता है किसके लिए? For procurement of weapons and also capital acquisitions for the three services, that is the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force, and the Indian Coast Guard. So these are the four defense services for which the Defense Acquisition Council approves the procurement and also makes policy. So इसको चेयर कौन करता है? इसको चेयर करते हैं हमारे मिनिस्टर ऑफ डिफेंस इस काउंसिल को, and it was formed after the group of ministers recommendations on reforming the national security system, जो कि कारगिल वॉर के बाद इस ग्रुप को लॉन्च किया गया था to make recommendations on how to be more prepared for future warfare. So इन्होंने रेकमेंड किया था डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल, जिसके बाद की डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल का गठन हुआ था. सो इसमें एक और चीज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज़ द डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट बोर्ड. इट इज़ द बॉडी रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द कोऑर्डिनेशन, सुपरविजन एंड मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ द एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस. सो जो डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल जो डिसीजन लेता है उसको कोऑर्डिनेट करना, सुपरवाइज करना एंड मॉनिटर करना किसका काम होता है? डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट बोर्ड का, जो कि चेयर करते हैं डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी. सो डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट बोर्ड एंड द मिनिस्टर ऑफ डिफेंस इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ डिफेंस एक्विजिशन काउंसिल, दैट इज DAC. नाउ लेट अस कम टू व्हाट इज अस्त्र मिसाइल. इंडिजिनियसली डेवलप्ड बियॉन्ड विजुअल रेंज एयर टू एयर मिसाइल. सो दिस इज एन एयर टू एयर वेरिएंट and it is beyond visual range. It is designed to be mounted on a fighter aircraft and is also designed to engage and destroy highly maneuvering supersonic aircraft. So this is a very advanced weapon system and it has a capacity of 15 kilogram. Astra has a range of over 70 kilometers, so it can destroy an enemy's weapon at a range of 70 kilometers and can fly towards its target at a speed of 55 km per hour. The missile has all-weather day and night capability. The missile has been developed by DRDO. So this is an indigenously developed missile by the DRDO along with almost 50 other private and public organizations which are involved in multiple variants to meet specific requirements. For the IAF trials, the Astra Mk1 mission system integrated with Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft was carried out by state-owned HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So हमने यहाँ देखा कि अस्त्र मिसाइल के फीचर्स क्या क्या हैं. इट इज़ अ बियॉन्ड विजुअल रेंज एयर टू एयर मिसाइल, कैपेसिटी ऑफ कैरिंग 15 किलोग्राम वॉरहेड, and can fly to a range of 70 kilometers with a speed of over 55, that is 5,555 kilometers per hour. So these are important things to be noted, especially from prelims point of view. It can be asked like which of these is the feature of Astra missile. Now coming to the Pinaka missile. Pinaka is a multi-barrel rocket launch system used by the Indian Army. So this is specifically used by the Indian Army, and we saw here that Astra missile is for the Navy and the IAF. Astra missile is for the Navy and IAF. Pinaka is for the Indian Army. This is the difference to be noted. It was developed by the DRDO, so this is also an indigenously developed missile. Pinaka integrates state-of-the-art technologies for delivering super combat performances. Each Pinaka rocket is capable of carrying 1,000 kg payload. So it has capability of carrying 1,000 kg warhead for a range of 40 kilometers. These are the important things. A single Pinaka battery can neutralize the surface area of this much, 70 meter into 50 meter. So this can be destroyed by the missile, Pinaka missile. So these are some of the important points to be noted, especially from prelims perspective.